Hey, it's Rob. I just want to talk about how's it going in Mod 4. So, day one, it looked very different. It was tricky and I wasn't used to it. But now that I spent more time with it, and day two, I think it's going to be very powerful for sure. And once you understand it, it's not going to change. There's set rules. And if you could follow the rules, then it'll work out. So I'm very happy that today it clicked and it was sooner than I expected. There's still more to come, but I feel like if I stay on top of the labs and keep looking up stuff online, it'll be okay. Um, the other thing was I was also stressed because I had Flatiron Presents due today, which I did my presentation today and it went fine. So I'm happy that's out of my schedule, and I could focus entirely on React now. The other thing is I want to add to my feelings about Mod 3 week 1. So that week I struggled the most out of the past 10 weeks that I've been at Flatiron. I felt like that week I came in very strong and I felt like I was riding the high off of being in Mod 3 and I felt like I know how to code now because I know Ruby and Rails. I could do like the iteration and understanding like classes and logic and all that. But then that worked against me because then whenever it like the material felt hard, I started to doubt myself a lot and more. And then like by the middle of week 1, I was just very confused and in doubt. And so by the end of week 1, I just felt like I didn't belong and I was defeated. But I had a lot to do with expectations because I came in with a very I expect myself to now be able to at least learn how to learn a new language because that's what the first 2 months were. It was learning how to learn. So I thought, just because it's a different language, I should still be able to apply techniques that I use to learn how to learn Ruby, but it doesn't work the same. And I think what the takeaway is to just go into Mod 3 more humble than I was, and be willing to feel like a noob all over again. And that's okay. I think it's better to go in with that expectation. Go in thinking like I know nothing and I'm going to absorb everything from a clean slate. Yeah, so that's my recap of Mod 3 and also Mod 4. Well, that's my recap of Mod 4 and also turned out to be Mod 3. Yeah, so that's my recap of Mod 4 the first 2 days and also turned out to be Mod 3 week 1. So, I'll catch you in the next video.